Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So today we will have an interest rate decision in the UK, and this can also affect the volatility on this currency pair and on the British pound. But so far what we can see from the technical side, from a technical perspective, from technical analysis, we can see that the market traded back into this range. If you see here on the daily, we got basically about 5 to 6 days of overlapping, and market is basically now back into this range. This can open the door for price to go lower and probably towards 1.1168 or 1.1080. Market is deep below the previous day low, which is this yellow line, and market is marked down. So my advice to watch for selling opportunities on the rallies. So something like some rallies on the 5-minute or 15-minute time frame, some kind of ABCs or bear flags on intraday chart, because the market is selling off and it's selling on a strong speed, and it's already marked down. But again, as I said, because we are back into this trading range, from my perspective, I will not be surprised if we can test the low of this trading range at 1.1168 and 1.1078. If we speak about gold market, there was a big trap for buyers yesterday when market rallied, and probably made lots of traps for the buyers who went along above that previous day high, and then market sold off pretty aggressive. Basically on the daily and the weekly time frame, there was nothing there that will indicate any kind of the bigger rally or the bigger potential. So basically we're still in this trading range here, and since the market is in selling phase, we can also see on the 1 minute there is some bear flags. So this, from my perspective, I will not be surprised if we can retest the 1616 mark on the gold, maybe even today. So we got very strong supply this morning, and now we're building some kind of the flag here, and probably if we can see the resell, further downside continuation, we can even attack lower prices. So watch for the downside continuation, watch for selling on the rallies on the gold market, with the main objective at 1618, 1616 mark. If we speak about the crude oil, we can see that market is selling off. It's still in the previous day range, somewhere in the middle of the previous day range, and we can find that there was a failed attempt to retest the high, and the market is taking this low. So basically potential for the lower prices, and even the price towards the 87.90 can be in the play. So watch for that potential test of the previous day low, eventually 87.80 or 87.80 mark. Speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, this market basically had a first initially on the news on FOMC yesterday. It had an upside breakout, but intraday structure didn't actually had any follow through. So only the price broke, but no really follow through on intraday structure. It actually then went back down to break this range to the downside, and now we have actually structure which is suggesting there was a sell-off, and we can see also in the 15-minute time frame we got some divergences. And overall the ranges breaking to the downside. So it seems like market can trade lower, at least towards the 19,000, let's say 20,000 mark, and then who knows, even potentially towards the 19,000 mark, 19,300 or even 18,200 mark. So watch for the selling opportunities on the rallies on the Bitcoin, potential to back in deep into this trading range on the left on the daily, and maybe even to test the lower extreme of this bigger training range. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.